In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a form on Kit. By the end, you'll have a fully working form that's designed, connected, and live on your website. First, log into your Kit account and look at the top navigation bar. You'll see an option called Grow. Go ahead and click on Grow, and from the drop-down, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your forms and landing pages will live, and where you can create anything new you need. Once you're on that page, look for the button that says Create New. Click that, and when it asks what you want to create, choose Form. This tells Kit you're building just a form, not a full landing page. Next, you'll choose your display format. This is how and where your form will appear on your site. You can pick Inline, which means the form will sit directly inside your content, like in a blog post or in your footer. You can choose a modal, which is a pop-up that appears after a delay or based on a trigger, like time on page. Or you can go with a slide-in, which gently appears from the corner of the screen. Think about your audience and how intrusive you want the form to be. Inline is subtle, modals are more attention-grabbing, and slide-ins are a nice middle ground. After you pick the format, you'll be asked to select a template. You'll see different style options with names, such as Claire or Mills. Choose whichever layout and design feels closest to your brand. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Once you select a template, Kit will open up the form editor. Inside the form editor, you can customize the content. Click directly on the headline text to change the wording to match your offer or lead magnet. Then click on the button to update the text and adjust the colors so they align with your brand. If you want to collect a first name in addition to email, click the plus icon to add a first name field. Be mindful not to add too many fields, since shorter forms tend to convert better. Now let's configure how your incentive is delivered. Click on the settings icon, usually shown as a little gear, and then go to the incentive section. If you're giving away a PDF or any downloadable file, choose the download option and upload your file there. Kit will handle sending that file to new subscribers. If you prefer that people are added to your list immediately without needing to click an extra confirmation email, uncheck the box that says Send Incentive Email. Just make sure this matches your email marketing and compliance preferences. When you're happy with everything, click Save to lock in your changes, and then click Publish to make the form live inside Kit. Publishing doesn't automatically put it on your website yet, but it makes the form available to embed. To embed the form on your site, a modal will appear with some JavaScript code. Copy that entire code snippet, then go to your website's HTML, or into your WordPress editor if you're using WordPress, and paste that code where you want the form to appear. For an inline form, paste it in the exact spot in your content. For pop-ups and slide-ins, typically you'll paste it into a global script area, like your site footer or header, following your theme or builder's instructions. Once that's done, save your page and refresh your site. Your new Kit form should now be live and ready to start collecting subscribers.